Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Peaches from Lovers of Healthy Life. Now today I'm going to take you over in my growing area where I installed a 5-tier growing station. It's really inexpensive to do and it took me about 30 minutes to install it. If you haven't already started planting your spring seeds, now's the time to go ahead and start planting those seeds. I've already planted my eggplants, tomatoes, peppers, also my moringa. I'm also planting some flower seeds as well. So come along with me and let's have some fun. Okay, so here is my 5-tier growing station. And I'm only using a few of the shelves right now. This is actually 5 shelves. It's 72 inches tall. Now this shelf has 5 shelves. It's 18 inches in depth by 35.8 inches long, and it's more than enough space that I'll need to get all my seedlings started. There's also another unit, and this one costs $44 on sale, and there's also another unit that only has 3 shelves, which may be all that you'll need, and it's only $24. So you'll save a little bit money that way as well. So here is the lighting set that I'm absolutely in love with. It comes in a box just like this, the light ever. I'm going to leave a link to this in my description. And it comes with 4 strip lights. In this box, they thought of everything. You also get the double-sided tape, like if you're taping on a bookshelf or a shelf that had the, like if I was to put boards on here, you can actually use the double-sided tape for these lights. Let me just show you what the lights look like. Take one of these out. Okay, so these are the strip lights, and you just install these right underneath here. Really super easy to do. The cable ties. I'm going to install this one right here. So it's up there really snug. And then you take your next strip light and you just install it, say for instance like here. So when you install it, you just want to make sure your ends are going to plug in to each other like this. And you just, once you plug it in, this just screws down and attaches, and you can install your next one like right over here. So I really like this particular set because they thought of everything. You get 4 of your strip lights, and you also get your cable ties. If you're not going to use the cable ties, then you can use your double-sided tape. And then if you're not going to use the double-sided tape, then you can use these screws, because they do give you holes that you can actually screw them in like to a wall or underneath a shelf if you want to do it that way. So that's why I like this particular set, because they do come with everything. They give you actually 2 sets of cable ties in the box. So yeah, it's just a really nice set. Now this is my second favorite lighting system. It comes with 5 of these strip lights. You get 5 of them here, and they're not really made for these wire shelvings. So what I did was they come with these little clamps that you can see right here, and you get 2 clamps per strip, and technically you're supposed to screw these clamps onto like a under cabinet or maybe like a bookshelf or something like that. But what I did, I just retrofitted the cable ties and so that they could tie to the wire shelving, and it worked out pretty well. Like I said, there's 5 of them here. This is my second favorite, but it is only $27. You get 5 of them, so this may work for you as well. And this is the update on my moringa tree, and I planted this on January 28th, and it already has leaves on the tree, and there's another tree right here and one way back there that's doing pretty well. And this is the one that I planted. Now these 3 I actually cracked open the seed to reveal the white seed inside and planted them. And then the fourth one right here, I just planted the seed and it hasn't come up yet, so hopefully that will germinate. But nonetheless, I went and planted 4 more moringa trees and cracked open the seed, and hopefully these will germinate as well. These were just planted about, let's see, February the 4th? Yeah. So I'm looking to those to germinate anytime now as well. And I wanted to show you my pepper plants that are doing real good under these grow lights. I'm just happy with the results of the grow lights. And also my eggplants are doing really well. And way back there, I have more eggplants and peppers that are doing good. Back over here are my tomatoes that I just recently planted. These were planted on, let's see here, February the 4th. So I have some lime basil that I planted here as well. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results of the grow light system. It's like one complete unit. All my growing is going to be done right here. Now also, I actually lost the video footage of me putting together these shelving units, but they're super duper easy to do. They come with these little plastic connectors. You just connect these plastic connectors, and you just be careful of how you're spacing out your shelving units, because they are kind of hard to move once you get them on there. And then you just set these directly on there. I'm sure you've seen these before in the past. Super duper, no tools are needed at all. And I love it when no tools are needed when you go to install something. So yeah, this is my in-house growing station. It took me about 30 minutes to install. And I really love the fact I can come over here and tend to my plants all in one area. Well, I want to thank everyone for watching, and happy gardening.
Video.
Hi guys, I'm trying to do a video here, but there's my husband. He wants to be in the video too.
Hey!
And my granddaughter. And this is my oldest daughter.
Not that close.